President Trump acknowledged today that tariffs on Chinese goods are causing issues for the U.S. economy. He referred to these issues as transition problems, suggesting that the current economic pain is a necessary step towards achieving long-term benefits. Trump emphasized that these tariffs are part of a broader strategy to level the playing field with China, which he accuses of unfair trade practices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged over 600 points, marking one of the worst days for the market in recent months. Investors are increasingly worried about the impact of the ongoing trade war on global economic growth. This drop adds to significant losses since the trade dispute began, with many stocks hitting their lowest levels of the year. Financial analysts are expressing concern over the prolonged uncertainty and its potential to trigger a broader economic downturn. Businesses and consumers face higher prices on goods, fueling fears of a recession. Small business owners are particularly hard hit as they struggle to absorb the increased costs without passing them on to customers. Shoppers are noticing the price hikes on everyday items, adding to the financial strain on households. Despite market turmoil, Trump insists his tough stance on trade is necessary to protect American jobs. He argues that the short-term pain will lead to long-term gains, including more manufacturing jobs returning to the U.S. and a reduction in the trade deficit with China. He believes China will eventually agree to a favorable trade deal. Trump remains optimistic that ongoing negotiations will result in a deal that addresses issues like intellectual property theft and forced technology transfers. Economists warn that the tariffs could harm the U.S. economy more than they help. They caution that the longer the trade war drags on, the greater the risk of a significant economic slowdown, which could offset any potential benefits from a future trade agreement.